Alright. Today we have a magnet, cup of water. Just gonna put it in, align it like this, and watch the magic.
Oh, it's spinning. And
instant tornado.
You can slow it down if you want. Hey, let's get another one. Let's get a bigger one, okay?
You're still recording now.
I know. Just want to see a little bit of black in it. Ready?
Wait, make sure it's aligned.
Go. Oh, no, that one's not supposed to happen. Is it aligned? Okay. And this is how to make a tornado. Oh, it's moving the glass. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, you can put your finger in if you want.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. And